Yeah, we need to get to the flag and now while we got the chance.
Oh, wait. Other side of the concrete bridge is a couple people.
Hey, give me cover.
1, 2, 3, go.
Over there by the Reconics.
Hit!
He'll be able to hit us with his range.
Oh my god! He's literally right behind that crate. There's like smoke. Yeah, I know probably he's scared. He doesn't. That's going so fast. Are you recording this?
Yes.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Hit!
Red man coming out! Hey, red man walking.
Whoa, that's too close. I think I got you too.
You did shoot me, I don't know.
Why don't we just both call that?
Alright, yeah. If you're worried about getting like this. Hey, one in the power line! One in the power line! No, see him poke his head up! Watch it, watch it! You see him right there?
Yeah, I see him. I'm moving. Give me cover!
I didn't get him. He's on this side. Oh yeah, he's on the other side. Boys, look. He's moving back over. He's running back to the woods.
You got me covered on this side? Sniper right side, over in the field. There's a sniper over there, man.
What team is he on? Enemy. You're no man, or what team band are you? I'm no man. You're okay. We're blue. What?
Bang.
Blue band.
Bang.
It's red and blue, right?
Yeah. You see this right here?
Yeah, I saw There's some people without a bandana.
What?
You shoot them then.
Apparently he's in our team, but got no band.
You need to get a band.
Hey, my fault, my fault. Tell your friend my fault too, the one that was right here. I didn't know. Hey, push up, come on! We all the way up here. Hey, someone get on that flag!
I got it.
Hey.
Give me cover on the flag. Bang.
Oh, thank God. Good shot.
Hit.
Hey, let's go, push up! Let's go, push up! What's behind us? I know we got more people. Make a perimeter!
He's hit. Yeah. All right.